Hi, this is SkateIS 944. Today I'm going to show you my homemade skateboard ramp. So first it's a fun box. It was really hard to make. Then it's a little launch ramp. It's connected to two other pieces. Then 3 pieces. And then I put this little piece of wood on it. Now this is how it looks like when you're actually on it. Okay. And that was my homemade skate ramp.